Welcome to my channel. So today I will be going to show you guys how to active cell in Microsoft Excel. For example, if you have like 100 of individual in your organization and you would like every when you click on the each row it automatically get highlighted. So how to do that? So first of all, open your Excel sheet and select the whole sheet, I mean the part where all the names are. Then here go to the conditional formatting, click on the conditional formatting, click on new rules. From the new rules, then you come up here where you see use a formula to determine which cells to format. Click on that, and in the format value then set up this put this formula. Here you have to choose your color. From here you have to go to the fill tab and select the color, what color you want. Your the whole row will be highlighted. I'm going to choose this light blue color. Click OK. Click OK. So then here you see where your file is. Name is schedule. Right click on that. Click on the view code. From this page, when you come up, you see here where it says general. Click on this drop down and select worksheet. And here then type active cell dot calculate. Then minimize this and go to your Excel sheet. For example, I have to click on number 3. You see Adam. If I'm going to click on Benjamin, you see the whole row is automatically is highlighting it. I'm clicking on Mike. You see, please like and subscribe my channel if you like the video.